Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So I wanted really to start from watching the 2-hour time frame, and we will also go and check the 4-hour time frame. So we can see here that we have a bear divergence just around 133.87. This area seems like a very important for today's trading activity, and I see potential for rotation back down towards the 133.10 based on this bear divergence that we got in this area here. So potential for the downside rotation on the USD Japanese yen. If we speak about the gold market, we can see that market is trading lower, but overall the daily time frame is still in the upside, building higher lows, and this might be just a pullback this morning, and we have a previous day high at 2007 level. So we will see if this can just be a pullback towards the recent swing highs, and if we later will have another upside swing and maybe even take that the current day high to 2021. So currently market is pulling back, but there is a potential for the further upside continuation, especially around this 2700 area. Speaking of the crude oil, we can see that crude oil is trying to break this key resistance zone. So we have this still area around 82 mark. So we still didn't break that. That's a still very, very powerful resistance area. And only if we can trade above that 80, I will say 83 mark and hold above, that can open a door for the higher prices and maybe even test of the 93, 94 level. So pay attention to this resistance zone and potential, watch closely the price action around. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see there was a natural pullback. So we had a strong initial powerful movement that happened basically from April 11, so yesterday, and now market naturally pulling back towards the 2-hour, even 4-hour middle Keltner line. So we are trading basically in the middle of the previous day range. At this stage, I would like to see if the market can be supported around this middle Keltner lines, the rising ones. So still strong upside cycle. This might be just a pullback on the Bitcoin, so potential for the upside continuation, maybe a retest of 30,600, maybe even to go towards 32 and 34,000 in the next period. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.